To apply for one of the University of the Algarve PhD degrees, you must access the candidate portal and register. After registration, your username and password will be sent to your email address. In that email, you should confirm your registration by clicking on the blue link. Then, go back to the portal and log in with your username and password. Click on Applying for a course. Then, select option PhD application, choosing the faculty you want. On this page, you will have to choose the course you are applying for. Then click on Next. Fill in the requested information and click Next. Now fill in your personal details and click Next. All the fields with the red asterisk are mandatory. Here you can see the list of requirements. Click on Next. You must now upload all the documents requested and then click on Next. All the documents with the red asterisks are mandatory. On this page, you can view the application summary. If everything is correct, click on Finish. Then, click on Formalize Candidacy. Now, click on Missing Payments to pay the application fee. Select the fee and click on Items to pay. Then choose the payment method and click Next. Confirm the payment details and make the payment. Once you have made the payment, your application will be complete.